5 Tips to Pay Off Your Mortgage Faster. I'm here with financial advisor and author of the book, The Joy of Money, Kate McCallum. Kate, help us understand how we can pay off our mortgage faster.
It's a good question. For a lot of people, having a mortgage hanging over your head can just feel like a load, and it's something that we'd like to get rid of. So here's a few ideas. One of my favourites is to have a mortgage offset account. And an offset account basically means that you can have savings that offset the interest on your loan. So there's a number of different types of accounts around, so it's good to talk to your mortgage provider about what might be available. But that's a clever one, particularly now because interest rates are so low that cash-in savings accounts is not earning very much at all.
Well, this is a good one, and if people want to know more, they can do a little bit more research.
Absolutely.
And the next tip might be?
This is a really easy one. If you're paying monthly, flip to fortnightly. Now, importantly, don't get your mortgage provider to do this for you. And the reason for that is they'll adjust the amount that you're repaying, but the term will stay the same, so you don't pay off any quicker.
No savings.
No, so do it yourself. Now, the reason this works is because if you think about it, there's 26 fortnights in a year, but there's only 12 months. So 26 fortnights is like having 13 months a year. So you tuck in another 2 extra repayments. Just makes a difference over the long run.
And you're decreasing your interest over the life of the loan.
Exactly.
That's what makes it come off faster.
Exactly.
Well, what's the next tip that you have for us?
This, again, is a simple, small one, but, again, makes a difference over the life of the loan, and that's to round up. So let's say you're making regular repayments of $2,850. You could round up to $2,900 or even $3,000, and just that little bit extra every time can just help nudge down the principal a bit faster. And the next one is to get a fast track on that, and that's to use lump sums. So let's say you get a bonus at work or a tax return, or maybe you're lucky enough to get a gift or an inheritance, and you can make a real step change in your mortgage by using those repayments.
And sometimes it might not be that this is always the best financial decision, but it might just make you feel better that you don't have this burden.
Exactly, hanging over your head. And look, if you can achieve both, that's great. The final tip is to make sure you negotiate a good deal. So go to your own broker and ask for a cut on the interest rate, or if you're the member of a professional association, some lenders will actually give them a discount of 0.5% or so, and it all adds up in the long run.
Well, this is good to know, and I think you've given some people permission to go and ask for that rate cut. Sometimes we don't know that we can do that.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Well, if you like more tips like this, we invite you to join us on our website, mumsathetable.com.